Now we are talking about shapes. We are talking about what?
Shapes.
And these shapes, I say that we can have the shapes when we have open shapes. I mean, we have the net and the shapes of this diagram. Now here we talk of a cylinder. We talk of
a cylinder.
We talk of
a cylinder.
I say a cylinder has got how many faces? There's this face and there's this face, okay?
Yes.
And we have this curved part, okay?
Yes.
If you have a net of cylinder, now this is what you're going to have when you open a cylinder. Whereby you are going to have the circular part, the two circular part, that is this part and this part, and you're going to have the curved part, which is going to form the cylindrical part of it. So as you get the net, you're going to have the two circular parts open, this open, and this curved part open. So we're going to have this face, and this one. So how many faces are there?
3.
How many faces are there?
3.
Now this one might not have, you're only going to have the edge at the circular parts. That's where you're going to have the edges. If you open it now, you're going to have this, and the circular part, this, and this. Those will be the edges, okay? Are we with that?
Yes.
The vertices, when you have the vertices, you're going to have this vertice, this, and this. That is when it's off.
Okay.
You have the net of. Point again?
Yes.
What's the question there? Now, we have this one, how do you call this?
Triangular prism.
How do you call this?
Triangular prism.
This is a triangular prism. Now, when we have a closed triangular prism, how many faces does it have? The faces, how many faces?
5.
We have this one,
2, 3, 4, 5.
So the two triangular part sides form the two side faces. Then this part which is form the rectangular part, okay? The two and the base is also form the rectangular part. That's another face. Okay?
Yes.
Then we have the edges. How many edges we are going to have here? We have these are the edges. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Are they 9? Are they 9? Now this is 1, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9.
How many edges?
9.
How many vertices?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many vertices?
6 vertices.
So we have a net for triangular prism. This is the net. So when it's closed, we have this part that are closed. Part that are closed. This is when it's closed, right?
Yes.
It's closed. So when we have the net, we're going to have now, we have this face, we have this face, and we have this face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many faces?
5 faces.
How many faces?
5 faces.
When it's closed? When it's closed? When it's closed?
5 faces.
So that's open. The edges are this one. So we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10.
Are they 10?
Yes.
Let's start. 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That is the edges, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That's the edges. So we have a net. You can also even make this. You have this. You can also bring this side. So we have the two on the other side, and still make your triangular prism, okay?
Yes.
If I decide to move this here, join it so that when you fold this, again, you still fold the other one to come down, okay? So it overlaps. Then you have those sides. Is that okay?
Yes.
So that is triangular prism, right? Then we have
Pyramid.
this is a pyramid, okay?
Yes.
This is
A pyramid.
how many faces does a pyramid have?
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many faces?
5 faces.
How many edges?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many edges?
8 edges.
How many vertices?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many vertices?
5 vertices.
Now, this one is what?
A net.
A net of what?
A pyramid.
So we have a net of a pyramid. Okay?
Yes.
So if we open it, still we have the faces 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
and the edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay?
Yes.
Those are the edges. And the vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Point again.
Yes.
Swali. What we call?
Cube.
This one is?
A cube.
This one is a cube. Okay? This one is a cube. How many faces does a cube have?
6.
Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many faces?
6 faces.
How many faces does that? How many edges does it have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12.
How many edges?
12 edges.
How many edges?
12 edges.
How many vertices?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many vertices?
8
And
vertices.
we have a net for cube. So this is the net. So we can fold it and have our net. So we have this part, we have this part, and we have this part. This one overlaps. So you can see this close the upper part, and this one close this side. So there we have our closed cuboid. Now, if I decide to have a cube and open this one side, so I have an open cube. So how many faces it has now?
5 faces.
How many faces?
5 faces.
5 faces. The same, if I open my cylinder, I have the cylinder, and I close one side, how many faces now will remain? You have this and this, the counterpart, okay?
Yes.
And if I have my, now this one we talk about cube, right?
Yes.
Now we look at the
Cuboid.
cuboid. This is a cuboid?
Yes.
This is a cuboid, right?
Yes.
So how many faces does a cuboid have? How many faces? Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many edges?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
How many edges?
12 edges.
How many edges?
12 edges.
Vertices?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many vertices?
8
You know
vertices.
that your cube and a cuboid have got the same edges and same edges. Is that true?
Yes.
That's true?
Yes.
If I decide to open one side, so you open one side, the corner, how many faces?
5 faces.
How many?
5 faces.
5 faces, right? So I have here is a cuboid. No, 5 is the net. Let's have the net. So we have this part. So if I close it, then now I have how many faces?
5 faces.
How many faces?
5
have C. Okay?
Yes.
That is a cuboid. Which one am I leaving out?